Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Klaviyo for mobile e-commerce messaging alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Klaviyo into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Klaviyo website link. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields with your email address and password. Check the box to agree to Klaviyo's terms and conditions. Click the Sign Up button to create your account. A confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. You will be redirected back to the Klaviyo website. Log in using the email address and password you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon in the top right corner. Click on Account and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications tab. Click on the Notifications tab to access messaging options. Look for the section labeled Mobile E-commerce Alerts. Enable the Mobile Alerts feature by toggling the switch to On. You may need to enter your mobile phone number. Follow the prompts to verify your mobile number. Customize your alert preferences according to your needs. Once satisfied, save your changes. Your mobile e-commerce messaging alerts are now set up. You will receive notifications based on your chosen preferences. Start using Klaviyo to enhance your mobile e-commerce experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.